Your body is now infrastructure. CISA's advisories this window were not all about factories and power plants. Two were about medical devices. One covered genetic analyzers made by Thermo Fisher, the machines that read your DNA. The other covered a hormone monitor called Mira and its companion app, the kind of device that tracks a person's fertility cycle. Say plainly what these handle because it changes the stakes. Your genetic code and your reproductive data. The most intimate information a human being owns. A flaw in a medical device is a different kind of danger than a flaw in your email, and there are two harms here. The first is obvious. The data can leak, and unlike a stolen password, you cannot change your DNA afterward. It is you, exposed permanently. The second harm is the one people miss. These devices do more than store. They produce a result a doctor reads and acts on. Reach the machine and you may be able to change the output. That is worse than a privacy leak. It is a wrong diagnosis. A treatment based on a number an attacker changed. The threat is not only that someone reads your body, someone could edit it. And that is why the film is Gattaca. Most people remember it as the movie where a drop of blood at birth becomes the master key to your entire life, your job, your status, your worth. That is the leak half. The permanent identity you can never take back. But watch what the hero actually does. Vincent beats the system by borrowing another man's blood and urine, feeding the machines forged biological samples so the readouts lie on his behalf. Gattaca is the whole threat in one story. The body's data is both the identity you cannot change and the readout someone can fake. We now have networked machines reading the human body in clinics everywhere, secured with about the care we give a cheap home router. That is data with a cruel property. You cannot swap it, you cannot reset it, and once it is out for life. The red pill is hard to hear. Every day, devices now read our bodies, and a body cannot be swapped for a new.